FLV6 Fingerprint Bag for Lady. Set administrator account. 1. Press the panel until the blue light is on. 2. Input administrator finger 10 times. The very first one would be administrator finger. Successfully, and you cannot open with other finger instead of the one you inputted. Input user finger. 1. Press the panel for 5 to 6 seconds until the red and blue light flashing. 2. Confirm with the administrator finger until the blue light is on. 3. Input user finger 10 times. In different angles, please. Succeed, and you cannot open with other fingers instead of the administrator finger and this user finger. And you could input 9 user fingers and 1 administrator finger. Delete. 1. Press the panel for 10 seconds until the red light flashing. 2. Confirm with the administrator finger until the red light on. Successfully. Now you can open with any finger.